So here we go again, another day at the office, and some new cars came yesterday. We just unloaded. Now need to inspect to see what we really bought. This one is a Ford Fiesta 2012 1.4 TDCi, the diesel engine, 3 doors. Really nice car, but a friend of ours will take this and need minor cosmetic details, not much. And this is the cars that we need for making new videos. This is a Ford Fiesta 2019 1.0 EcoBoost, and it's automatic. Have the Navi and everything. Airbags are out. But it's a really nice car. Really good for parts. Really good for making videos. And we will continue with this. And we got this Focus 2017, I believe. No, 16. Also 1.0 EcoBoost. Also a real nice car. Little bit crashed, not so much. But yeah, that's the updates for what we're gonna do in next few days. We're gonna make some videos, dismantle this, and hopefully you guys gonna like it. So stay tuned, more videos to come. I did a little neglect this channel, but we'll try to fix this as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow, and all the nice things, and see you in next one.